everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert. Now this dessert will only take you about 5 minutes to prepare. It's on the healthier side and it's one of our favorites, so let's get started. First, you're going to grab 1 can of coconut cream and pop it in the fridge about an hour before you start the recipe. Next, you're going to grab 1 cup of frozen strawberries. They can be whole or sliced, just whatever you have on hand. We're going to open up our can. All right, and as you can see here, it's completely creamy and hard on the inside because we popped it in the fridge first. And we're going to add half of a can to either a blender or I'm using a food processor. Either will work. Now you're going to notice on the bottom of your can there is some water. We're actually going to use just a little bit of that, probably 2 spoonfuls, just so that it can help break down the frozen strawberries. Add your strawberries. Now for our secret ingredient, we are going to add half of a can of sweet condensed coconut milk. I actually found this on Azure. I'm really excited to try this out. It's going to be really delicious. It's dairy free. So this whole recipe is vegan and dairy free. If you aren't vegan or you don't need to be dairy free, you can substitute regular condensed milk. Just be careful, it doesn't have too much sugar, and use one that doesn't have all the added sugar. And lastly, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, and we're gonna give it a blend. All right, it is all blended. Now, you could just eat it just like this and it would be super tasty, so good, but we're gonna amp it up a little and add a couple more ingredients to make it even more tasty. So we're gonna grab a glass dish or whatever you have. We're gonna pour a little. Next, I have some fresh cut strawberries. We're going to layer in a couple of those. And then we're going to take, I have some just natural strawberry jam, and we're just gonna swirl in 1 to 2 teaspoons of this jam. Now I'm gonna add another layer of the ice cream and add more strawberries and more jam and keep repeating until I get to the top. Okay, now we're all set. We're gonna cover this and pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour just so it can get a little bit harder and more of a creamy consistency, and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, our strawberry ice cream was in the freezer for about an hour and a half, and it's ready to go. I just topped it with a couple of white chocolate chips just for some added sweetness, and it looks amazing. Mike, are you ready for a taste test?
Me?
Yes, you.
All right.
Let's do this.
This is a fancy glass. Wow. Oh, strawberries and cream. This is delicious. I love the strawberries with coconut cream. That's wonderful.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, we hope you enjoy this delicious strawberry coconut cream ice cream. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And for more recipes, be sure to visit us at nestinature.com. Thanks, guys.